Hey you guys, so this is the part 2 video for the buttermilk chicken, and I'm gonna do the cupcakes in a separate video because I just want to get this one out so you guys have this one to look forward to since I promised that. So I'm just gonna get right into the video and stay tuned. I let the chicken sit in the buttermilk overnight for about 14 to 20 hours. So right here, I'm just going to dip it into the eggs. I use 2 eggs, and then I'm going to dip it inside of the breadcrumbs and pop them right into the hot grease. Now, I used 2 chicken breasts, as you've seen in the last video, episode 3. So basically, it ended up being a lot of chicken. So I'm just going to repeat this process as many times as many chickens as I diced up, and just continue watching.